Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. For those of you that are new to my channel, I am Rhonda. Today I'm going to be making raspberry almond shortbread thumbprint cookies. These are so easy to make. I'm going to show you the recipe. I'll leave the recipe with the ingredients and the amounts in the description below so you can find it there. And since it is still strawberry season here in Michigan, I thought it would be a great time to show a recipe using strawberry jam. So today is not going to be raspberry, it's going to be strawberry. This recipe can be changed to any of your favorite jams. So even though the title of it is raspberry, we're changing it today to strawberry. So the recipe only has a handful of ingredients. The first one being butter. It takes 1 cup of butter. I'm actually going to be doubling this recipe, so I'm going to add the whole pound of butter. I'm going to dump it in my mixing bowl. So I got my 1 pound of butter in there. If you're not doubling it, just use 1 cup. I'll put the correct amounts in the description below. Next is sugar. Almond extract. I think this gives it the best flavor. Just try to find a pure almond extract and it will taste amazing. And the last ingredient for the cookie is flour. And I'm just using an unbleached all-purpose flour. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and attach my beater and get this mixed. See how simple that is? Whoops. That was not supposed to happen. I was probably supposed to cream the butter and the sugar, but I didn't. Alright, see how quick that came together? Alright, so that's the cookie. This is how you make a shortbread cookie. And it's just pretty much 4 ingredients. Flour, sugar, butter, and extract. Alright, I have a piece of parchment paper lining my cookie sheet. I just have a regular cookie sheet. And here's my cookie dough. And I'm just going to make little balls. So you have to, the dough should be nice and dry, and it shouldn't stick to your hands at all. And so I just make them about that size. It says 1/2 inch balls, but I don't know how big these are. These are probably a little bit bigger than what the recipe says. Okay, so this is what I do. Alright, so you see how you get the idea of how to make the balls. Alright, so then once I have this full, I'll take my thumb and I press it down in there, and then get my jam. Okay, so then I take my jam and I just place it right in the middle, just like that. So that's as easy as it is. And then we're gonna put these in the oven. We're gonna bake them, and then we'll let them cool, and I'll make a little frosting to go over top. So that's what they will look like. I'll bring you back when they're ready to go into the oven. Here's the first batch, and these are ready for the oven. These will go in a 350-degree oven for about 14 to 18 minutes. You just want them nice and lightly browned. While the cookies are baking, let's go ahead and make the frosting glaze for them. I'm doubling it, so you would only need a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna measure it like this, so 3/4 of a teaspoon is what you need. And then it calls for milk, but I'm adding water. A teaspoon. I'm gonna need 2 teaspoons. Can you see what I'm doing? It doesn't take a lot. I'm gonna need a little bit more water than this so that it has a little bit more of a drizzle consistency. So here we go. This is what I'm looking for, just so it kind of drizzles over the cookies. We're gonna let the cookies cool completely, and then we'll drizzle this over top. Here's the cookies. I have, I think, 54 cookies. It ended up being, unless somebody ate one, but I don't think so. So I'm going, and they're all cool now. So you can see how they got a little bit brown on the bottom, just like most of these. But yeah, they're still soft. So you wanna cook them until they're just a little brown. And now I'm gonna drizzle the frosting over top. And I'm just using this whisk because that's what I stirred it with. And I'm not super fancy about this. So yeah. And this frosting will kind of harden onto the cookie. So yeah. It looks runny right now, but it'll be good. Easy strawberry almond shortbread cookies, thumbprint cookies. Strawberry almond shortbread thumbprint cookies. It's kind of a long title, but they're very delicious and easy to make. Hope you give this video a try. Thank you for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. Take care.